Google on Friday announced the launch of ARCore 1.0, the company's augmented reality SDK, software development kit, for developers on Android. With version 1.0, developers can now publish their AR based to the Google Play Store. Additionally, the update brings improved environmental understanding to place virtual objects on textured surfaces. Google also announced that Google Lens will soon be available for all English language users of Google Photos on Android and iOS. Google ARCore 1.0. Google's augmented reality developer kit is finally out of preview and can work on as many as 100 million Android smartphones worldwide. According to Google, 13 models from 5 OEMs are currently supported: Google's Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, and Pixel 2 XL, Samsung's Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge, Asus ZenFone AR, OnePlus OnePlus 5, and LG's LG V30 and V30 Plus. The tech giant states that it is in talks with other OEMs such as Huawei, Motorola, Xiaomi, and HMD among others to enable their respective handsets, which will take the figure to 100 million. Please check if this what Google plans. With ARCore 1.0, developers can make use of the improved environmental adaptability that lets users place virtual objects on textured surfaces like furniture, toy boxes, books, cans, posters, etc. Android Studio Beta now supports ARCore in the emulator. China will also be part of ARCore rollout as Google announced tie-ups with Huawei, Xiaomi, and Samsung, allowing OEMs to publish AR-based apps on their proprietary app stores. Google Lens. Although still in preview, Google Lens will, in the coming weeks, be made available directly on the Google Photos app on iOS and Android, for English-speaking users. Add to that, English-speaking users will get Google Lens capabilities on Google Assistant, provided they are using compatible flagship phones. Google Lens also adds features such as text selection capabilities, create contacts and events from a single tap, and better support for object recognition.